Hi, in this help video we're going to go over using the measuring tools and the drawing tools in the new Island County GIS resource ICGeoMap. So first I'm going to zoom in on the map. I can click shift and make a box. And to get to the toolbar you can either click tools here or you can just double click up here. So I'm going to be going over using the distance tool and the drawing tools. So we'll go ahead and click that. You can see I can either choose to do a linear distance or I can measure area, and I can also change my units. I can click this enable snapping, and what that does is you can see my cursor is actually going to stop right on the parcel corner. So you can select the snapping layers. By default I have parcels selected. If you're trying to do a measurement on a GIS layer, you want to make sure that the snapping's turned on. And that way you don't have to try to get as close as you can. You know it's going to go right to the line. So go ahead and close that. And so now I'm going to use snapping to get to this line. And you can see I measured 2 lines here. If I'm only interested in one measurement, I can just hover over and it's going to show up for me. And it's going to put the total on there. So the same thing with using the area. And you don't have to necessarily go to a property corner. You can just draw simply a box here, double click to finish, and it's going to give you the area and the perimeter. Now to get rid of these measurements, I can either hit this clear button, and that's going to get rid of everything, or I can hit erase and then tap on it to get rid of that. You can see this one, it says warning multiple items. That just means that I've got 2 annotation, that it's going to be annotation layers set up. So hit OK to get rid of them. And like I said before, you can hit clear and it's going to get rid of everything. So that's using the measuring tool, and then again to get rid of the annotation we use this edit tool. So this drawing tool shows that you can actually put text on the map, you can put points on the map, or you can freehand some shapes. So I'll show you with the text here. It's important to select the style that you want before you place the text. You can move it, but you can't change the style. So I'll go ahead and write something here, and then choose the style that I want, and then put it on the map. So if I wanted to move this, I'm going to go back to this editing tool, choose edit, and I can click on it and I can rotate it, I can move the whole thing, but notice I can't change the style. If I wanted to put a point on the map, again there's styles to choose from. You just drop it on the map and that's really it. So this is to edit things or to erase things. So I'm just going to clear and erase it all. So that's using the toolbars, the distance tool, as well as the drawing, and then editing to get rid of those annotations that are put on, or just editing whatever drawings you have on. Thanks.